Who is this?
Oh, she will drop on her way. She's a passenger.
Oh, okay. Alright, please let's go.
Okay, you have everything you want.
Yes, I do. Hello.
Good day.
Good day.
You recall my face?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. I'm here to see you.
Okay. Okay, I'm here.
I have a list of things to tell you. The first thing I have to tell you is about your man. He's been impounded. Okay, yeah. He told you he owns a keke, Pep, right?
Yes.
Newsflash. That's not his. I mean, he's actually riding on a hire purchase. And unfortunately, he bashed the keke. And the owner came and got him arrested. As I speak to you, oh poor boy, he's lavishing in the police station. So I felt maybe you should know about it.
Yeah, so what's your involvement in all of this?
My involvement. You mean you want to know who I am?
Yes.
Okay. I am Pato's main girlfriend.
Jesus.
You are his side chick.
Treasure.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You look clean, oh.
What of that your customer?
She has gone. She has gone to work. She left early.
He can tell you one thing. She just get away. They always carry every time you go house, go carry him, come pick me. She know they complain.
She know they complain. Why? Come on, she know they complain. Don't worry. I spoke to her. We have an arrangement. She doesn't complain.
But you know, say some people go they vex, but they no go
She know they vex. Please enter the.
Some people go carry something for mind. They no go know.
I beg. She know they vex. Oh, sorry. I forgot to clean my leg. No, sir. I know they like that inside my this thing.
No wahala. Sister, don't they go? Bye bye.
Treasure. I thought she went to play.
Treasure. See you later,
Babe, all right now.
Babe.
See you later.
All right.
Bye, yeah.
Bye-bye. Call me, oh.
No problem. Madam, you and this film. Oh God, I'm so tired. Have you eaten? Why do you face like that? That reminds me. Pato said he's going to take us out.
Okay.
I know that will make you happy.
Where is he taking us to?
Anywhere he wants to. Is there a particular place you want? Well, as long as he gets you what you want, it's only the most important thing. That's all you like. Why are you making your face? Are you okay?
I'm watching movies.
Okay.
Let's begin. I'm ready. Let's go.
I don't think it's possible. Pato called, said he took some people to a place and that he's not going to be back.
How? Like,
Carried people for drop and he's not coming back.
true. Is this serious? So we're not going there again?
We cannot go now. He's coming back in 2 days. Alright, let me take you out, so I'll just buy you ice cream in that ice cream place. Let me take you, so I'll buy you ice cream. You hear? Let me get money.
So after
Afterwards.
our inter sport today, we'll do extra lessons today.
After the whole sport activities, that'll be too much for your little brain now.
No. Our exam is coming soon, so we need to do lessons.
Yeah, but even like that, they don't have to stress you people.
Every time you be forming big man. Because of 45,000, only 45,000 naira. You left Onitsha to Asaba to come and collect. Are you serious? Are you even serious? Do you hear yourself at all? You don't hear yourself?
Patara, now me you dey raise voice.
I go shout for you. I go shout for you.
Hi God.
Who you be?
When you come my shop, they beg your voice not be like this. So you go there, Oga Obaka, give me that spare part maybe like this. Oga, your voice no dey. You go there beg then that they beg.
Only me they collect.
Now you dey shout for me. Pato me. Hi.
I beg come out there. I go shout for
Pato,
you.
make I tell you, I not come here to shout with you. I swear to God, if you don't give me this money, when make me follow you from Onisha come Asaba, I go carry this okay go.
You carry my
I go do
keke.
am.
Carry him now, make I see.
You can't hear Pato's
Carry him
voice.
now, make I see.
You don't know where they ask about that boy. You don't know that one get money. You don't ask them. You don't get shot.
Guy,
Don't make me leave my shop from one shop. You don't know where they ask about that boy when they play music. You don't know that one get money. You don't ask them big them. You don't get shot. Okay.
Guy,
Don't make me leave my shop from one shop to here. And for you to give me my money, I go carry this keke they go on shop. Bet me.
You go carry my
I go
keke.
carry your keke go on shop.
Come on, they use hustle. So what's
If I
happen?
come and price for you, but what's
Abeg.
you for this time?
Babe, we'll settle this thing.
Who be baby? Which one be baby?
Guy, don't dey shout for my girl front.
Pato, give me my
Guy, leave me
money.
alone. What you dey worry you?
Pato.
What's my keke? Why they use hustle? One carry, come carry, make I see. My friend, where you go?
Excuse me,
Abeg,
sir.
come out
What's
there.
the problem?
Madam, I don't be sir. I don't be sir. My name is Subaka Pure Water. Madam, spare parts, importer, exporter, anything, keke parts. Now me the sell am. That is my name.
Sorry,
Babe, don't mind
Oga.
her.
Oga, sorry. What exactly is the problem?
See this small boy. Small boy, why?
Guy, they call me small boy. What's the
Okay, you be small
Guy,
boy.
they like keke easy.
You be small
I don't come out there. They like keke.
Can you
How will you call your
you
making
have
noise?
higher potential to push me? You never push me. You reach what's in my shop. You know the what's in my shop.
All those slaves.
I
Like
served
the
for
boys.
5 years. 5 years.
5
They
years.
settle me.
Wait till
And they pick the money
Wait
that
till
will
come
be
out. They sharp
Please,
because of
sir,
45,000.
Idiot.
Sir, please.
Babe, don't answer this guy.
How much is...
Wretched human being.
You said the money is
Me,
how much,
wretched.
sir?
My money, when they owe me before, now 30,000.
Okay.
This one will make me come here. Now 45,000, that means it be 75,000. Let this boy give me back more there. Or you see this keke, I go carry him.
Touch my keke now.
Patoranki, I
Come, touch
will
am.
call you. Better I go
They
carry
go
him.
call you table water. You
I'll
go to do
get you your
Galatima.
money, okay?
Get me my money, cash.
Babe,
Cash,
don't
now
give
they
guy
do
1
it.
naira.
We
Babe,
don't
don't give
have-
guy
I
1
need to
naira.
the people.
I don't have cash. I can do
Idiot.
transfer.
Woman, why be like, baby.
Yeah, no, they post
Now,
that
maybe you
for my
won't do
woman.
for this life, idiot.
Nonsense.
Other boys, they enter market, they hustle, they do offside, they make money. See your mouth,
wetin I dey do?
idiot.
Wetin be this
You
one
know
wey I
what
dey
I do? Just I go get that
I
shop.
can get that from here.
Animal, you got to do
Come out here.
Okay,
Come out
let
here.
me get your money.
Idiot.
Let me get your money, sir.
Get my money.
Babe,
Get my money.
babe, don't bring 1 naira here. This guy.
One time you enter again, I go carry your slippers. Fine boy. They do this and a fine boy will do for market. You think that a fine
So
boy
now that
will
one
get
dey
my
vex
money?
you. Now my slippers they vex
Come
you.
on.
Now my slippers they
See,
vex
see,
you.
idiot.
Nonsense.
Idiot. Come on,
Treasure.
come on here.
Come,
Don't be treasure.
don't push him like that.
Why don't go push him?
Why you go push him?
But you don't go do anything.
I don't go do anything.
Yes.
Touch
You think
my
it's about
keke. Touch my keke.
Sir, take.
Idiot.
Take, let me do transfer.
Give me.
from anyone.
Babe, this money you're giving, I don't like it.
Give me.
The cash won't be enough. Let me just do
What's this? Call me, call my account number.
You don't go count that money. Count that
You are
money.
very stupid.
Say,
You
they
get-
sure say it complete.
Idiot, this thing that change. What I want count am for? I dey go China. This thing I deal with Chinese people.
Omo, if you can't
You don't go China before, idiot. They here they do fine boy.
I never go to the no miss. I don't go tomorrow.
Okay, shut up, idiot animal.
My keke, you know where my
Can't you
keke
go?
from?
Madam Puta,
Oh yeah, let's go.
First Bank, 311 54 52.
I just feel so ashamed of myself. This thing wouldn't have escalated to this level if that idiot did not come here to come and be shouting. That guy has money, oh. He has plenty money. But because of 65,000 naira or how much is it self, he came all the way from Onitsha to Asaba. Money that I could have paid. I could have paid the money.
Is the money your money? Is he not supposed to ask for his money? All I'm asking you is, you now go about taking things on credit. Huh? I thought you borrow money from me. And then you go outside too to borrow from people. Okay. Mine aside. You borrowed money from him. Is he not supposed to ask for his money? Is he not?
Not the one that will now come all the way and come and be shouting here.
Why won't he shout? What do you even do with all this money?
Babe, it's just keke, some of the keke parts. It's not like I use the money to drink or anything. It's just my
I
keke.
thought you always come to collect money from me to repair your keke. And then you go to this man, you collect money from him. And at the time it's due for you to pay him his money, you don't want to pay. All the money you've been collecting from me, what do you use it for?
It's not like I don't want to pay. I would have paid. The man was just impatient.
The man was impatient.
Babe, like I said, I'm ashamed of myself and I'm sorry. It won't happen again. I promise.
You're just having a stupid sense of entitlement. The man gave you money. And now it's time for you to pay him back his money. You're shouting. You didn't pay him his money. He had to come here to embarrass you. And you're saying he has a lot of money. Is it working for you?
Babe, I'm sorry. I say it won't happen again, I promise.
Every time you're begging for money. My sister money is finished every day. Give me money every day.
Look, that babe was angry because of that money that she transferred.
Angry.
Now?
Why did? But now you again, not for you. You've not even started though. She's beginning to say, babe, the best now. She will transfer till this year going. I don't understand you. Who damn now? Why do you do that?
Sometimes if this thing done, they too much, they too good. But no
problem.
problem.
They bring ideas. They collect money. It don't be only foreign this thing people. They run local. This one are local.
No problem. I beg, send me my own share. I need to go see Susie, one baby. My Susie.
Guy, they fuck up. The money where you go make, the money where they make, you supposed to use to take care of it. They say Susie, one baby.
I don't understand. It's not my money.
You know, see as I did that.
Is it your money?
No, they do it like that.
I beg, calm down.
You idiot.
Finish
you
fire.
You go collect for another baby. You go give another baby.
When they do this transfer.
No, they do like that. How much self they get sent? 75,000.
She give you cash. Send me the balance where she sent
cash,
to you.
I don't spend that. That one day.
So send me the balance for transfer.
How much I'll give you now?
Everything now. You don't spend the cash now.
How much you think say that cash be? Which one send you everything?
How much you want send?
75,000. 75,000. Look, I will collect at 5,000. I'll give you 40. Don't say that you get the business.
The cash where you don't spend.
Now him be the same. The cash join for 35,000 I will collect. No be like not for you.
Just the transfer. I don't want to make my babe call me. I beg.
Which one?
Hey, my Susie.
Guy, you fuck up. The money where you go, you take care of the pet.
Is it your money?
Oh, God, get out.
It's my money.
You go poor. Tire. See,
I'll do however I want.
As a dab.
What, baby?
Which bank?
Croatia. How far now? Babe, you see me now. You see me now. Baby.
Pato, it's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks and you refuse to come and see me. You no longer send money to me again. All the transfers, I don't even know what has been going on. The one that pains me the most is that you've even refused touching me. Don't you know I'm a woman? I'm supposed to be changing oil. If not daily, weekly. What is going on?
Pepe, calm down. Is that why you're not frowning your face? I've already explained to you how things are. I use money for too many things. I have to settle the owner of the keke. I also have to drop money for contribution. By the time I'm done doing all this, there's little or nothing left for me. And things are somehow now. Things are somehow. Please try and understand.
Understand what? Understand what? Are you not a man? All these things you just listed now, are they not your responsibilities? So why are you now telling me? So we can share the burden or what? No, don't even try it. All I care right now is the money. Even if you won't touch me. Okay, that one I can stay for a while. But you see money, all the very important. It is very, very important.
Well, if I don't tell you, who will I tell? I have to tell somebody now. And
you think I'm here for all this your rubbish? Okay. I need some money for my house rent. It has expired. And also I need money for my sick mother. And that's notwithstanding. I also need money for my younger sister's school fees. She wants to complete her HND.
Oh, baby, this mountain is too high for me to climb. I didn't see all these ones coming now.
But you've seen it already now.
Where am I supposed to get all that money? I just told you now that I have not collected it's not my turn to collect contribution money. Where would the money come from?
Anyhow, he wants to come out for more. Let it come out. I said it. And I said what I said. Get the money for me. You can even lie. Tell them that tell them that you are in the hospital. Even if you have to appear or disappear, anyhow you want to do it to collect it from them. Just tell them that you're not feeling fine. Use yourself. Don't use me. Tell them that you're in the hospital for them to give you the money.
I swear you can lie, yo. Look at how you're just saying it as if it's that easy. They tell them you're in the hospital. If I tell them I'm in the hospital and they see me with keke tomorrow, uncle, did you think about that one?
Yeah, you're not a man. You can find a way. You can even tell them that it was your twin. It was your twin brother.
Because I'm a man, I should now come and die.
Babe. Babe, I know I messed up. I beg you, please. I know what I did is not good, but babe, I'm dying. I know I didn't do well. Please forgive me. Eh? I know I offended you. Please forgive me. I'm dying. Babe, I'm dying. I'm dying like this. I had an accident with my keke and my boss seized it and said I should go and look for money to come and fix it. Babe, where will I get that kind of money from? Please help me. Any amount at all, please. Babe, I beg you. I know you love me and it's just my character that you don't like. I'll change from today. I swear. I'll change, but please, any amount you give me, I'll accept. Babe, please. Babe, please don't do this to me, babe. Babe, please.
See, Pato, you see I didn't say anything to you. Just leave me and go your way, alright?
Babe, it's me, oh. Babe, you can't do this. Treasure, help me talk to her now. Treasure, wait.
Stop now, don't push me now. Don't push me now.
Babe, please, babe. Babe, see, I'm on my knees again. Please. Babe, any amount you give me, I'll accept. Please. Babe. Hey.
But the heart is tricky.
Hey.
Yeah, when we love,
Babe.
we lose control of it all. Yeah, when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Where are you heading to?
House.
We're going home.
All right, just hop in. I'll drop you off.
No, thank you. We're actually waiting for someone.
Ah, it's nothing. Just come in.
Okay, sir.
I'll drop you. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I dream for a better tomorrow. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a better tomorrow. When we love, we lose control of it all. And when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Yeah, when we love, we lose control of it all. Yeah, when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a better tomorrow. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a better tomorrow. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a better tomorrow.
Hello.
Good day.
Good day.
You recall my face?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. I'm here to see you.
Me? Okay, I'm here.
I have a list of things to tell you. The first thing I have to tell you is about your man. He's been impounded. Okay, yeah. He told you he owns a keke, not Pep, right?
Yes.
Newsflash. That's not his. I mean, he's actually riding on a higher purchase. And unfortunately, he bashed the keke. And the owner came and got him arrested. As I speak to you, oh poor boy, he's lavishing in the police station. So I felt maybe you should know about it.
Yeah, so what's your involvement in all of this?
My involvement. You mean you want to know who I am?
Yes.
Okay. I am Pato's main girlfriend.
Jesus.
You are his side chick. If you want to know any other thing, go ahead. I will be here to answer you.
Wow. Yes, so want to know more?
Which is?
How did you meet him? How did you people start? How everything? Because this my sister is his first girlfriend.
You want to know, right?
Yes.
Okay. If you were clever enough, you would remember that first day you saw me. How did you think I came into this compound? Just like that. And he told you guys all of that, all of those lies, and you guys believed him. Have a nice day.
Wow. Side chick. Jesus. Ha! I said this. I said it. Oh, the money that you have to send it to him.
When we love, we lose control of freedom. And when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Yeah, when we love, we lose control of freedom. Yeah, when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a better tomorrow. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a better tomorrow. Love is beautiful, but open for what?
Sister, forget about them. You see this Patawaram. You see this Patawaram. Me, I suspect him on time. I said it because all this time that he will come and pick me from school, take me to school, buy biscuits, buy ice cream, buy juice, buy all these things. My mind was telling me something. After doing all these things, last, end of the month, he will wait for salary. Child. Wickedness in the highest order. Sister, don't mind him, just leave him. Oh, see, let me tell you, you are still fine, fresh. See, if you leave him like this, now just mind your own business. Plenty people go come your own way. No, say you be fine, gay. You fine, well, no. Forget today. Sister, no be crying now. Sister, now, I beg now. No go this thing. If you be crying, let me have a problem. Child. Sister, please. Sister, so, don't cry. See, let me tell you. Just clean your eyes. You don't need to waste your tears on a man. Somebody that doesn't even like you. If you do like that, that means you are weak. But just show him that you are strong. Child, sorry. Sorry, sister. Don't vex, no cry. That thunder will fire. So, child! Tatawaram. Look at you. So, thanks.
When we love, we lose control of freedom. And when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Yeah, when we love, we lose control of freedom. Yeah, when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a better tomorrow. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a better tomorrow. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Love is beautiful, but open for what
Devi's birthday.
love is beautiful, but open for what
She's also a Scorpio.
for me. Beautiful, but open for what
Interesting.
destiny has for me.
Let's see how it goes.
Now I don't like it. Sister, if you keep doing like this, now what do you expect me to do? I will start crying. You know that tomorrow is your birthday. And you need to be happy. You need to sleep like a baby so that when you wake up tomorrow, you feel this new life thing. You understand? Okay, sister, do you know what you do? Just call Uncle Nelson. Tell him that tomorrow is your birthday. At least that one have money. He can buy you plenty gifts. But sister, now he can buy you things.
Treasure.
Hmm? This your mood is even making you cannot even look my face again. It's not good though. It's not good. Yeah, tell me stories that you used to tell me at night.
When we love, we lose control of freedom. And when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Yeah, when we love, we lose control of it all. Yeah, when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a better tomorrow. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a better tomorrow. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Love is beautiful, but open for what destiny has for me. Love is beautiful, but open for what.
Thank you, thank you. Of course, of course. I thank God already for adding another hit to my life. Thank you, thank you. Calm down. If I was in the office, of course we'll be celebrating by now, but you know it's weekend. Nothing much, I beg. I just
Here comes the birthday girl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, my dear friend, who is a deep well of emotions, strong-willed and very ambitious. Happy birthday to you, dear. This is for you.
oh, thank you. I really do appreciate it, but I don't want it.
Sister, it's a gift though.
It's just a gift. It's your day.
Yes, thank you, but I don't want it.
You don't want it. Why?
Nothing, just a choice.
Deborah, we're friends. This is a friendly gift.
I don't want it. Thank you. Return it. Give it. Give him, let's go. We're going somewhere. Thank you.
Hello, Scorpio. Anything for the toddler dumb. I should be the one thanking you. Thank you for sitting out with me. I appreciate it. Well, the thing is, I wanted to tell you about it, but you didn't give me time to explain. I run a foundation
a foundation that helps the poor, the orphans, less privileged, and the sick. Yeah. And by the grace of God, we've tried for a couple of years. I'm very thankful to God and also to the support we've been getting from well-meaning individuals. That's what I do on the side, yeah. I'm a gold miner. I run a company that mines gold. The pleasure is all mine. And you know, I'm actually looking forward to having another sit out with you. If you don't mind. Good night, beautiful.
When we love, we lose control of freedom. And when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Yeah, when we love, we lose control of freedom. Yeah, when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a better tomorrow.
I won't make her stay for this house till I finish my common entrance exam.
It's not possible. You said you were coming here to stay 1 week, okay? And we're not staying more than that. Don't you know it's wrong for you to go to a man's house and stay there? A man you're not married to? Do you think this thing I'm doing makes sense? If not that you pleaded with me, I wouldn't be here for any reason.
I know. Think we'll say you say married man. Person wey you never marry. You know, say if you stay for this house now, you just take a close look at you.
Close look at me for what? Huh? My friend, sleep and get ready for your exam tomorrow. Take a close look at me.
Sister,
What?
my throat stay dry. I want drink juice.
Since when? When did you start drinking juice at night?
Because my throat stay dry.
It's water you will drink.
But uncle say make I take anything I want.
Are you related to this man in any way? Are you? Don't come and start doing more than yourself, because they've allowed you.
Oh, Kikabiama, you fuck up. You fuck up last. You fuck up for this one. So now my sister, you use play ball like football. You play her heart like this. Like say, you know, get anything which they use the heart they do. Ah! Patawaram, aka Pato. You see that prison where you dey? You see that cell where you dey, Patawaram? Better dey there. Relax there. Because if I use my eyes see you, it don't finish for you. Even if me, I not fit do you anything. I fit call my boys, my nigga, they go run out for me. Because like this what I did. I get men, we get men, them. Then go run the matter for me. As they come out from that cell now, just dey wait for me because me, I go show you my own. I go show you say, people where they mad, then get people where they sponsor them. You go see am. Now I know why in the answer Patawaram. Keep bringing. Who they answer that kind of name for this life? You know the meaning of Patawaram, sister? Patawaram means keep bringing for me. Not you only keep bringing, no. Now keep bringing for me. Patawaram, keep bringing. Patawaram. And you the pata. You the pata, you the bring. Ha! Now what?
Treasure. You know I'm trying really hard to forget everything that has to do with Pato, right? So I really appreciate it if you will stop mentioning his name, okay?
Sister, make you just forget about her like that.
Exactly.
You know they pay you as they pay me rich. I swear to God. If you want make we die this matter, make you just carry me go that police station where in there. Make you carry me go there. If I just enter there, I go just tell them say, when they carry Patawara come meet me, I go just climb the counter like this. Now like this I go there. As if they call like this, now like this. I'm telling you the truth. I go just give a better slap for face. If I just dash him that one slap, I go make sure the slap enter well for him, but settle. Me, I go come counter. I swear to God, because the thing they pay me.
It's okay. Alright?
Ha!
I said it's okay.
Sister, you fuck up. You fuck up. You know why is at all. Forget said no reason the insult what they give you. But you know wise. Because you know say this person name na Patawaram. That is they bring for me. You too, you go follow them, they go anywhere. And you know say this Patawaram na they ask you everything, all this thing when they ask you. Your mind no go that place say as name na Patawaram na so they give and they give. Because if you say your mind go there, this thing not for happen. If you just sense that I say, this thing don't they do my life for you go sense them.
It's okay. Okay?
Now what? I've been how many times when you don't enter that room, make a count them. They enter, come out, enter, come out, enter, come out, enter, come out. Every day when you come the house, you go enter your room, 12 and I go come out. Every day. I know. The pata, the money, the pata, I don't know, like, ha!
Treasure, I said it's okay. Alright? Well, since we lost our parents, I've been the one catering for Treasure and myself. Started with sales girl job and someone where I worked introduced me to this place that I'm working now, and the pay is good and we've been living fine. I mean, meeting all of our needs until Pato came into the picture. When he came at first, it was actually okay. He takes Treasure to school and brings her back sometimes when I'm unable to pick her up. But then along the line, he started asking me for money. But then I felt, okay, I have the money to help him. He's my boyfriend, so why not? Unknown to me that for every time I give Pato money, he actually had another woman he was always taking the money to. It's not like he was so confident giving him the money. But I mean, I was really trying to help my boyfriend out. But he was also trying to help his girlfriend out. Yeah, that's that about me, about us, Treasure and I, yeah.
Deborah, you're not going to be sad forever.
Of course not.
You're a beautiful, intelligent, and smart woman. And I know one thing for sure, that happiness would find its way to you. Because you deserve to be happy. Okay?
Thank you.
Well, how about me? I grew up as an only child of my father, my mother. Childhood memory is quite interesting. My father was always my role model. I mean, I watched my father take care of so many people, you know. He was a philanthropist. I think that is where my desire to help people stems from. My father was a philanthropist, like I said, and he was so filled with stories. He would tell me stories about disciplines and stories that have a way of teaching some form of morality, or, you know. My father was just an embodiment of everything I wanted to be, you know, as a kid, growing to be a man. And I guess that's why I like to care for people. I feel compassionate when I see people lacking or people who I need one way or the other. Also, the job I do as a gold miner, it actually comes from my father. I learn a lot from it every day because as a gold miner, you need to understand perseverance, focus, patience, because most times it could take you months or years to even find gold. It's a lot of work. And I kind of relate that to life. In life, one must be patient, one must persevere, one must be focused for you to achieve your goals. So even my job teaches me a lot of life lessons, and here I am, taking it one day at a time. Whatever it is that we want, we have to be patient and give it our best shot. Yeah. That's the simple thing about me.
Yeah. Oh, thank you for everything. Keeping us in your house, taking care of my little sister Treasure. I really do appreciate it.
Thank you very much for always charming me with that beautiful smile of yours.
Thank you.
I am humbled to be in your esteemed presence.
Who is there coming? Why are you knocking? You can be very dramatic sometimes. What is
You see, this house where we dey now. This brother where we dey for him house. He get money where. Maybe you know. He get money, he can get fine house, can get good car, better car. Can even get people with their outside, wey they help, they give money, they do everything, they feed. Come find on top. How
So why are you telling me?
nothing, no. Nothing, I just to tell you.
How do you even know all these things you're saying?
Eh, me, I know. I know. My mind self, they tell me something. And when they tell me something, and they go somewhere, but me, I never did sure. My mind never dey go straight, just they do like this, they do like this. I never did sure, make I no go talk with I no.
What's your mind telling you?
Me, I no dey sure. I no dey sure. I no know, make I no go talk am.
So why did you come to tell me now? You know what your mind is saying. What is it saying? Even if you're not sure, tell me.
Okay. You see, this brother wey dey dey for house now. They do me like say he don dey enter him eyes. Like he don dey like you.
Like me how?
You know, see as he dey take look you anytime when they talk to you, he go dey look you like person wey don dey like you, dey look you somehow. I make me talk am.
So you've been looking at the way he looks at me.
Even that time when we dey for parlour, he can't call you, say whether you want chop. He can't say no. He can't look you one kind eye like that.
Treasure,
Yes.
have you done your assignment?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, just go and read your book, okay?
Okay. Sister, I want to tell you something in case if you want happen, make you accept that. In case if you want marry you, I still don't they like you.
Why would you book? you and I, we've not had any conversation about marriage or about any relationship, and you thought it wise. Like, you were so convinced that what? I was going to do what?
I know that you're all that I want.
What if you're not what I want? Well, it's a no.
Jesus. Sister Naringi be so.
I do appreciate everything you've done for my little sister and I. But, yes, I'm not taking your ring.
I've been asking her to be my girlfriend for a while now. All to no avail. I also been trying to find out why most times she looks sad. But it seems like it's her little secret. Thing is, girls like her, they're very rare to find.
Now, wow. But sister, you know try you. You know try you. Which kind of embarrassment come with that one now? Eh? It be like I see this thing on time. I see him on time. Now make I tell you say, in case if this man come, make you tell him yes. I see him on time. But sometimes if I dey talk, it go be like I don't know wetin I dey talk. But I know wetin I dey talk. I know wetin I see him. I see him say he go come give you that ring. You come there for your face, tell and say no. Wetin he dey convince tell you. I know. Now what for you, safe? Nah. Person wey dey for this kind house, fine, set, tall, get money well. They tell am no. Get a CBO.
Where are you learning all these things from? What do you mean by set?
Sister, you no go understand. I know I'm lying. You no go
Make me understand now.
But wetin you do no good now. Why you even just kneel down like that to give you a ring? It's the way you go carry am. You tell am say no for your face. So you no even say make you pity am small. Tell am okay, make you collect am.
Do you want to marry Nelson?
They ask. It is say I don't reach to marry. I no go collect that ring. As if they give it, as if they even open mouth say no. I go just rush collect the ring, put for my hand self. I go marry am like that. No go allow anybody come close to am. No be this thing wey you do. I don't like what you do. Because what you do now, the man go come dey feel bad. Nobody go tell am sorry now. At least you collect the ring, you put am first, tell am okay. Then after I go come settle the other one.
You know the thing is that it's time for us to go. Yes. It's time for us to leave this place, so you will go pack your things.
Sorry, sister.
What is sorry?
I'm not going to talk again.
Even if you want to talk about it, it's okay.
Yeah, sister.
I'm saying it's time for us to go. What do you mean by sorry? You don't want to go? Huh?
Yes.
Treasure. You said you wanted us to come here for 1 week, right?
Yes.
Okay, we've stayed more than 1 week.
We could just stay small again.
Why? Is this your house?
No.
Okay, so why do you want to stay here?
You know, see sometimes if I dey read it dey enter my head well.
And if you're reading in your own house, it doesn't sink.
You think. But now sometimes, because sometimes noise they do there. So now here now noise everywhere they cool and calm.
You think you're smart, Abby? You think you're smart? If you're gonna pack your things, let's leave this place.
Now, very now.
Okay, so this is what's going to happen, eh? I'll pack my own things and I'll go. Whenever you want to come back, you come back, okay?
Sister, beg now, me two of us dey now. I no go talk about that thing again.
No, you can talk about it as much as you want.
Sister, okay, make we just stay one more week.
Eh?
So, sister, but that one they do me first. My home say, as she don't reject this ring now, who go come take this ring? Where they go keep this ring now? The ring will come be waste. I mean the ring go dey there rust finish. Nobody go wear am. Wow. Wow. No make sense. See, my result is out.
Oh wow.
Give
Whoa, this is nice.
Thank
Congratulations,
you.
my baby.
We are so proud of you.
Exactly. She did so good.
Yeah.
Whoa, come on, give me a hug. That's my baby. Congratulations. This is good. Okay? Keep it up.
Thank you.
Nice. What's this one?
Uncle got it on me.
Oh, you're already getting it, huh?
Yes.
Nice. Alright, so I'll just go keep this one for you. Give me a hug.
When we love, we lose control of freedom. And when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Yeah, when we love, we lose control of freedom. Yeah, when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Oh, 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 oh. I hope for the best. Oh, 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 oh. I dream for a
Yes.
I want to tell you that I'm sorry for everything that I did to you. I also want to confess to some of the things I did that you don't know. First of all, I'm really sorry for everything. All the money that I was collecting from you, I was spending it on that girl. I feel it is unfair. You're a very nice person, and you don't deserve to be treated the way I treated you. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. When I was inside prison, I had time to calm down and think about everything. And I know that what I did to you was not fair. Please, forgive me for everything.
Well, Akim, first and foremost, don't ever think that you deceived me. Because you did not. Everything I did for you, I did it out of my own will. You didn't force me to. It's out of my own good heart. I was only helping you. So don't see that you deceived me because you didn't force the money out of my hand. Did you? And secondly, I've forgiven you long time. Alright? I've forgiven you. I don't have any reason to bear any grudge against you. But I only want to ask you for one thing. And that is that you should please not come to my house again. Please.
when we love, we lose control of freedom. And when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky.
of gold. But you're the purest and most priceless gold I've ever come across. If we are meant to be together, then so be it. But if not, I am contented with having you as my friend. And I assure you that I would always be there for you, to support you anytime, any day. Friends?
Yeah. Friends.
Okay. Some smile would be nice. Treasure. You know I could never come empty-handed. I got some stuff for you, but they're in the car.
What? Let me go and get it.
When we love, we lose control of freedom. And when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky. Yeah, when we love, we lose control of freedom. Yeah, when we fall in love, we become emotionally blind. Love is sweet, but the heart is tricky.